With V2L, you can use a variety of electronic devices both inside and outside the vehicle. For outside use, start by preparing the V2L connector. Open the V2L connector's outlet cover and plug in the device. Then, open the charging door and connect the V2L connector to the charging inlet within 60 seconds. Now, pressing the power switch will turn on the indicator light, confirming that power is available. To disconnect the V2L connector, simply unlock the vehicle's doors. For inside use, open the V2L power outlet cover and plug in your device while in the power on state. A green indicator light means power is available, while a flashing red light indicates it is not. To use V2L inside and outside at the same time, connect the external connector first. To use V2L for an extended period, at EV in the infotainment system, go to EV settings and activate utility mode. You can also add a utility mode widget to the EV home screen to turn it on/off quickly. To prevent battery drain, set a battery usage limit. Once the set limit is reached, it will automatically shut off. V2L makes powering your day simple, wherever life takes you.
Kia. Movement that inspires.